last episode, we found some creative ways to beat the heat in Huatulco. This time around, we head up into the mountains with our friends on SV Rosa for one of our favorite things. This town is packed full of coconuts.
Packed full of trees with coconuts on the top.
And it's so manicured that the second one of those things hits the ground, they're cleaned up. It's driving Brenda crazy.
I just want to get some coconuts.
She can't get any. They're gone. But they're everywhere. Well, we're still in Huatulco. Been here for about a week and we're still waiting for weather. Gonna be here about 4 or 5 more days. But this place is an inferno. It's like 95 degrees, 80% humidity. It's cooking hot. But one of our favorite things on the face of the earth is coffee. And up in the mountains, there's a coffee festival today. So we're gonna go up there, and beyond the coffee festival, up in the mountains, it's supposed to be cooler. So, let's see if we can hitch a ride up there and check it out. Beat the heat. So, we grabbed our friends Robbie and Justine from Sailorama, and we were off. Today we're going to Pluma Hidalgo, and we got Andres. He's driving. He's an animal. It's gonna be great. Kind of excited. This will be a different kind of area for us up in the mountains. It'll be cooler, and cooler is going to be cooler, more awesome. Kind of excited. From the center of La Crucecita in Huatulco, it's a roughly 60-kilometer drive up into the Sierra Madre Mountains to Pluma Hidalgo. And with Andres at the wheel, we made it in no time. Pluma Hidalgo, here we come. We're almost there, and you can smell the coffee in the air. And after a narrow, windy road up into the mountains, we made it to the center of Pluma Hidalgo. At roughly 5,000 feet of elevation and perched on the top of a mountain, this amazing little town produces some of the best coffee in the entire world. We made it.
I worked really hard to get here.
And luckily for us, today was Coffee Expo 2018, where not only could we sample amazing coffee from the local producers while roaming around this magical little town, there was also tons of other local flavors on display as well.
Jamaica wine. Delicious.
It's a Jamaica chili. Un método antiguo para retellar el café. Café grande, ¿ves? No lo puedo pasar en la morteadora porque lo va a romper. Esta es la natural y este es lavado.
Even though we were there for the coffee, some fresh guanabana is pretty amazing.
Oh my gosh, this is so good.
But even better than the guanabana was the fresh coffee straight from the family farm to the family cafe and to our cups. Salud. Justine? Ooh. Delicioso. Today, we're getting jacked up on coffee.
It's coffee Jamaica wine, coffee wine, coffee wine. Those are my two favorite things.
Jamaica
coffee
wine.
and wine together.
Every kind of wine here.
I know, it's weird.
I'm hyped up on wine and coffee.
Crazy. It's really good though.
And of course, no stop in a new town is complete without some of the local food. I'm excited about these ones.
Yo sigo cantando y sigo gozando.
Pluma Hidalgo, it's a town of sights, colors, smells, and tastes. From the coffee all the way down to the local fruit vendors, there was something new to try on every corner.
They taste almost like
Plum.
no, you know the ones that look like eyeballs when you eat them?
Eyeballs?
Lychees,
Leche?
rambutans,
They're orange.
As incredible as the coffee and all the different flavors were, the most exciting part of the day for us had to be the big parade. And all of this excitement, this was just the part waiting for the parade to start. After a whole lot of excitement before the parade, it finally began. Those are great, Brenda.
Awesome. This guy's on six. It's crazy.
And of course, no Mexican parade is complete without stopping every so often so the entire town can dance in the street. From one end of Pluma Hidalgo all the way into the town square, the parade was quite a sight to see. And once in the town square, well, you guessed it, the fun just kept on going. That's it for Pluma Hidalgo. That was awesome. Great little town. It smells really good up here. Kind of like coffee and fresh air. And it was just great.
The coffee is great too. We'll hype them coffee and mezcal, I guess.
Jacked up. A pretty amazing town and a pretty fun day. So if you've been following along with our adventure for a while now, you may know that we've been full-time travelers, wanderers, vagabonds, whatever, for about 4 years. And in 4 years, I don't think we've been to any places that we haven't enjoyed. There's been some that we've liked more than others, because that's just the way it goes. But every once in a while we get to a spot that is kind of incredible. And Pluma Hidalgo, where we went yesterday, amazing. From Huatulco, it's about an hour and a half up to Pluma Hidalgo. And we were lucky enough to find a taxi driver who was awesome and willing to make the drive, which I think most of them are willing to make the drive, but he was a pretty awesome guy. And it was just a lot of fun. And the place smelled incredible. Fresh air and coffee. Can't beat it. But we picked up some of this stuff from Cafe Fila Diamante. If you get a chance, go to this place. They're awesome. And the coffee's incredible. Already had some this morning. Delicious. And that's about it for this episode. Join us next time as we set sail across the Tehuantepec and make it to Mexico's southern port of Chiapas.
Got a big fish. It's so exciting. Look at that. Look, I love that sound.